Want to make $10,000 using just your credit score? Here's how. In this video, I'm going to share some powerful, easy-to-implement tips that can help you unlock the financial opportunities hiding in plain sight. Your credit score. We're talking about adding an extra $10,000 to your bottom line, all by understanding and leveraging this often overlooked asset. And don't worry, you don't need to be a financial whiz or spend hours buried in spreadsheets. I've got you. In under 10 minutes, you'll have the knowledge and tools to take control of your credit and start seeing those dollar signs roll in. Are you ready to transform your financial life? Let's do this! Okay, so you know a good credit score is essential, but how do you actually improve yours? Let's dive into some practical tips and tricks that can help you boost your credit score effectively. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as you might think. With a few strategic steps, you can make a significant difference. First things first, check your credit report. You can get a free report from all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, every year. Reviewing your report helps you spot any errors or discrepancies that might be dragging your score down. Think of it like a financial checkup. Just as you would visit a doctor for your health, you need to check your financial health regularly. Next, pay your bills on time. This is huge. Late payments can have a severe impact on your credit score. Payment history is a major factor in your credit score, so set those reminders and automate payments whenever possible. Automation ensures you never miss a due date, giving you peace of mind. Another tip, keep your credit utilization low. This means using a small percentage of your available credit. High utilization can signal financial distress to lenders. Aim for 30% or less. Ideally, keeping it below 10% can give you an even better boost. And don't be afraid to ask for higher credit limits. Increasing your credit limit can lower your utilization ratio. This can actually help improve your credit utilization ratio, even if you don't plan on using the extra credit. Just be cautious not to increase your spending. Remember, building good credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are so worth it. Good credit can open doors to better interest rates, loan approvals, and even job opportunities. Stay consistent with these tips, and you'll see your score soar. Patience and persistence are key. Keep monitoring your progress and make adjustments as needed. Your financial future will thank you. Chapter 3. Unlock loans from no to yes. Ready to leverage that amazing credit score for some serious financial wins? Let's talk loans. Whether you're dreaming of a new home, a sleek car, or even a personal loan to consolidate debt, your credit score is the key to unlocking these opportunities. A good credit score is your golden ticket to lower interest rates on mortgages, auto loans, personal loans, you name it. Lower interest rates mean you can save thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Think of it this way. A lower interest rate means you'll pay less money over the life of the loan. This can significantly reduce your monthly payments, making it easier to manage your finances. That's more money in your pocket. Imagine what you could do with those extra savings. Invest, save for a rainy day, or even splurge on something special. Imagine finally buying that dream home without feeling overwhelmed by a sky-high mortgage payment. With a good credit score, you can secure a mortgage with favorable terms, making home ownership more attainable. Or cruising around in a brand new car with a loan that fits comfortably within your budget. A lower interest rate on your auto loan means you can afford a better car without stretching your finances too thin. That's the power of using your credit score to your advantage. It's not just about getting approved for loans. It's about getting approved for the best possible terms. It's not just about getting approved for loans. It's about getting approved for the best possible terms. This means lower interest rates, better repayment options, and overall more favorable conditions. So before you apply for any loan, make sure you're putting your best financial foot forward. Review your credit report, correct any errors, and take steps to improve your score if needed. Check your credit score, shop around for the best rates, and negotiate like a boss. Don't settle for the first offer you get. Use your strong credit score as leverage to get the best deal possible. Remember, a little effort now can lead to significant savings in the future. Chapter 4. Credit cards, your secret weapon. Credit cards often get a bad rap, but they can be powerful tools when used responsibly. Think of them like financial power-ups. First things first, Choose the right card for you. Look for cards with rewards programs that align with your spending habits, like cashback, travel points, or miles. Next, treat your credit card like a debit card. Only spend what you can afford to pay back in full each month. This will help you avoid interest charges and build a positive credit history. Remember, credit cards are not free money. They're a tool to help you manage your finances and earn rewards, but only if used wisely. Set a budget, track your spending, and pay your balance in full and on time. By using credit cards strategically, you can earn rewards, improve your credit score, and unlock even more financial opportunities. Chapter 5. Beyond Loans, More Credit Score Perks. Think a good credit score is just about loans and credit cards? Think again. A healthy credit score can unlock a world of financial opportunities you might not even be aware of. For example, did you know that landlords often check credit scores when considering potential tenants? A good score can be your ticket to that amazing apartment. And it's not just landlords. Utility companies, insurance providers, and even potential employers may consider your credit history when making decisions. A good credit score can even help you secure lower insurance premiums. That's right, your responsible financial habits could save you money on car insurance, renter's insurance, and more. It's like a secret financial superpower. By building and maintaining a good credit score, you're opening doors to a brighter financial future in more ways than you can imagine. So there you have it, the secrets to unlocking $10,000 or more using the power of your credit score. Remember, building good credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are truly life-changing. From lower interest rates to increased financial opportunities, a healthy credit score is your passport to financial freedom. I'm so excited for you to start this journey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe for more financial empowerment tips, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's create a community of financially savvy rock stars. Start leveraging your credit score today and make that $10,000.